Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down, working on a Ford Explorer, working on the brakes. As you can see, kind of in a very bad mess for the customer. Looks like they've been driving quite some time this way. You can see this side right here has some thickness, and this is barely any kind of metal. Drove it so much that the outer brake pad is disintegrated. It doesn't even exist. And it's double piston, and it's been leaking from somewhere. I don't know where it's leaking from. It's probably from the caliper itself. With that being said, if you hear your brakes squeaking, get them changed. Think of them as a steak, a nice thick steak. And if you keep driving them, this is the other side, this is not this side. And as you can see, you don't have any steak on it. You're pretty much on the bone itself. So once you hear the squeaking noise, get them changed. That's the design. If you hear a grinding noise, then it's going to cost you money, and sometimes you can mess up the pistons in the caliper itself, which will cost you a lot more money. So you went from maybe $100-something job to a couple $100 job and some inconvenience, and you don't want to do that. This happens almost all the time. It's not a big deal. I just want to let customers know, if you start hearing your brakes making noise, just go ahead and get them changed and move on. It's much cheaper changing some brake pads versus changing the rotor and possibly the caliper. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.